Give me your nails, baba. And hands. Cut nails muna tayo, pwede? Ayun.
Ha?
Abo na. Sabi niya gusto mo niya pa. I'm taking a video. I'm taking a video, pwede?
Ayan. Kakano mo lang.
Yes. Okay, give me your hands. I'll cut nails. Come on. Just, come on. Put your hands here. Come, put your hands here. I'll take it. I'll take a video. Cut nails muna. Come on. Cut nails. Please, cut nails na muna tayo, Jess, ha? Come on.
Come on, Josh. We went on the ride. We gave you good time. Come on.
Come on, cut nails.
Come on.
Bring on Binda.
Okay na, bring. Sige na. After cut nails, bring, okay? O, come on, cut nails muna, mami, here.
Gusto ka mga baba?
Very good girl.
Pwede?
Bring daw si Jason yan.
Hmm?
She wants to bring. Which one, baba? Okay.
Di ode.
Oh, after cut nail muna. Okay, cut nails first. Then next, bring Jessa.
Okay?
Enjoy si Jessa. Nag-ride tayo na naman ng Giant Dragon. Nice, ano ba?
Yeah.
And so much fun with children. Mababait mga children doon na. They love Jessa.
Ada. Ada.
They are gonna ask their names tomorrow, okay?
Ada.
Ride everyone.
Ada.
Jessa's friend.
Eh.
Friend mo yun, mga friends.
Ada.
Children.
No, ada.
Add Giant Dragon. Giant Dragon yun. Then na finish. Dalo pa. Come on. Tapos sabi ni teacher, cut nail dyan.
No.
Ay, naano ko na, naksaktan kita ba? I'll be very careful na. Come on, slowly lang. I'm sorry. Slowly na si mami, ha? Slowly, mami. Di ba? Another one. Slowly lang, slowly. Come on, slowly.
Pwede? Mom? Mom?
What?
Papa, Tito?
Okay. Bring tomorrow in school. Snacks mo yun sa tomorrow, okay? Si Jessa mag-fry. Okay po. Yes, just going to bring.
Net, Tita Bam. Teacher Abam.
In school. Come on, last. Come on, almost finished. Here we go. Ading, there you are. Don't say anything there. Magkakaproblema. Yeah, yes.
Mawati ate.
She's coming now. Last one. Last one, baba. Dado. It's okay. Trust mommy. Okay po.
Net at Tita Judy Anne.
Tapos next teacher, Judy Ann.
No, Bam. No, Tita Bam.
Tomorrow, you're going to play again.
Tita
Teacher
Bam.
Bam.
Deda.
Magella.
Jere.
Jared. Wow.
Nina.
And Leah. Okay, the other hands naman. Done with that. Done the right hands or the other hands naman. Dali nails si Jessa, maglaba. Not yet done. Nails too sharp, Jessa. There we go, wait lang. You see? Almost finished na. Lalo pa. This one was that purple. Okay.
What is it?
She's coming na. Here we go. Sir. Is that you? Hi, sir. Is that you? Hello. Cut nails muna si Jasa, tapos bat na yan, na. Cut nails, and then bat. Hello, Taser.
Diba?
Yeah.
Oh, may ate Jo.
Up.